Hey, good afternoon. It's Wednesday, September 27th, and I'm planning on doing the Leak Code daily challenge for tomorrow. It ends up starting today, so yeah, unfortunately I missed this one. So I'm gonna do this one. So yeah, here we go. All right, it is 5:11 in the PM, and it's time to shine. Okay, so sort by parity. Okay, the evens and then the odds. So do even and odd equal x for x in A if x and 1. That's the odds. And then the evens B x for x in A if not x. And so just check the rightmost bit. If it said it's odd, and then we'll return even plus oops, odd. I think that works. Concatenate them. Okay, that works for test case 1. Test case 2. Looks good. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay, that works. Okay, cool. So there's like 1 minute-ish for the implementation in Python 3, which is accepted. Yay. Okay, so actually we can clean this up a little bit in that we can reduce this into a Lambda one-liner. So I just take this guy, oops, have that do equals and self, and then the input array A, and then we just grab these guys, just concatenate those. So alternatively, I'm pretty sure this works, but that goes through the array twice. So this is it's like 2 times n is the runtime. I bet we can probably sort A dot sorted, and then pass in the key. So we'll just check if it's. I'm not sure how to be sure this. I guess we want to partition it. Partition. I wonder, does Python 3 partition list? Partition a list. Is there, let's see, there's filter. I just click on this one and see what happens. All right. What is this? To partition list. Partition. Slice. Partition it based on some characteristic, and that characteristic is whether it's even or odd. So what is this? I want chunks. I want chunks. I want partition based upon a predicate. Yes, that's what I want. Which one's that it? Group by. I guess this is exactly what I want. T. does this work? What is this? Is odd. Predicate iterable. T. What is this T? Is this T? Is T? What's a T1 and a T2? This is just weird. Which one in the deck? Why are there two in the deck there? That's still two to the N. This is stupid. This is junk. Just go with this. That is good enough. So we could do this like is odd, right? Is odd equals lambda self x, right? X and one to make this self-documented code. If is odd, oops, self dot is odd, x that is if self is odd. Okay. So the evens followed by the odds. I guess we could do this is even equals lambda. So, oops. Yeah. X. I'll do self dot not, oops, not self dot is odd x. Yeah, I'll just reuse that. So just do this. So instead of doing a double negative, we'll just do this, right? Super self-documented code, right? So if is even, if is odd. Simple, right? Nothing too fancy. I think that should work. And then it looks like I saw this before a year and a half ago or so, a little bit, a couple years before that. So let's see what we came up with previously, and then we'll also write this in Rust and maybe rewrite in the other languages here real quick, and then we'll call it a day. Okay, yeah, so same thing, same thing. Okay, it's not really self-documented as this is. So, I mean, whatever. It doesn't have to be perfect, right? Okay, okay. I think there's a partition in C++. So let me look at this because I'm pretty sure I can do this using the STL C++ partition. Yeah, partition. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so urinary predicate is what we can pass in. So let's try this. So this would be cool to update this. Because the more work we can pass off to the STL, the better. Because folks that are like super smart made the STL like super fast. So if we can use it, we should. So we can follow the principle of parsimony using the minimum of what we need. And then like somewhat makes it future proof too. So if you did it in theory, you could have yeah, updated C++ compiler could have updated STL library built into it or something. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's for free, so might as well use it. We'll do this. Auto is odd, like same thing as the Python code. Okay, so there's our predicate, and then we'll do Where is the output of partition? How does this work? True. True. Okay. So do is even. Capture is odd by. I don't really need anything here, but I do need to capture is odd there. Is odd x. Okay. And then partition. A begin. End. Let's see, is even. And return a. Okay, I think that works. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens. Submit it. Yay. Okay, that works. And yeah, this is a crappy solution, right? I use a deck. Well, I don't know. Whatever. It's okay. Yeah, no, actually, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. Deck. Let's do this. C++. STL partition. Partition. Which should be faster, right? That's good. And then, yeah, I don't know. We can post this and whatever. Self-documented Python. Let's do this. Python 3. Self-documented solution. Oops. There we go. I might as well post it and share it, right? Whatever. Looks good. Okay. Deck, STL partition. Okay, and then I'll do this in Rust, and then we'll call this a day. Rust, okay. Keep track of how long this takes. If it doesn't take me too long. Please don't give me a hard time, Rust. TYP, oops, type. I do vector by 32s. Just to shrink this up a little bit. So verbose, okay. And then, yeah, so the game plan is the same thing, right? Just filter all the ones to the left. I wonder if there's a partition. Let's see, Rust, vector, partition. Partition. There tools, partition map. This isn't big. Oh, interesting. I wonder if this works. What do you partition it based on? Like, what's the predicate? I don't think I want that. Let's look at Rust vector. Just straight up. Let's see if we can find partition. Measure partition. Two collections. Integrator partition. Ah, this is exactly what I want. Interesting. See if I can remember how to type this. How cool is that? Okay. Let's even, odd, equal, vector, wildcard thingy, vector, wildcard thingy. partition, wait, not was integer. Wait, hold on. These are the types. Dot into iter partition based on the predicate for each x 2 is equal to 0. That is, it's even. I want to concatenate those and return the results. Let's see if I did this right. Partition into iter, the array. Okay, I think that looks right. And then, yeah, that's right. Let's see, Rust, concatenate vectors, append. So extend. Let's see. And let's see if this is what I want. Back.extend. Is this? Seven. Okay. Let me see. Okay, I do want to extend then, right? Even dot extend odd and return even. Uh-oh. That mutable. Okay, that looks good. 523 to 528 submitted, and that's accepted. Yay. Okay. It's about, was it 5 minutes? 5 minutes for the implementation. In Rust, which is accepted. Yay. Okay, grab this guy. Okay, let's do this. Put Rust here. Oops. Okay, looks good. So filter evens to the front and odds to the back. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay. Okay, yeah, these are pretty cool solutions, right? All right, catch y'all later.